Welcome to Conduit. My name is Timothy Tolo. I'm an electrical technologist, I'm Jamaican, and I'm here to show you how to wire electrical circuit, how to understand electrical concepts, and with me, you can do it. Conduit is here to help you with electrical principles such as Ohm's law, current divider, electron theory, circuit analysis, and how these can help you to understand electronic circuits, or it can help you to understand installation circuits.
Oh, again. Recording.
So, we have Tenia Smith. What are you doing today?
Lab number 5. Lighting control of 3 lamps using a contactor by a PVC conduit.
Okay.
Check.
Why did you run the earth first?
Because it's the easiest way to get the circuit finished. Plus, you ensure all your box them ground, you know? Right way.
So why didn't you ground the lighting contactor?
Because there's no terminal to ground it.
Alright. The meter is off, sir.
The earth continues. Verification of polar.
Alright, so what is the purpose of
Earth continuity.
the earth continuity test?
To see if that all the components are earthing.
All metal
All
components.
metal components in circuit is earthing.
Alright.
Verification of polar. Which one I function?
Same function.
Verification of polar. To do the verification of polar, to determine see if the conductors are on the right terminal.
Right. This is the lighting contactor circuit. So, alright sir, how this circuit function is that, when current enter from the source, right? This is the master switch with the contactor controlling this bank of light here, right? So when the switch is flicked in the on position, when the switch is flicked in the on position, right? Current comes to the coil from the return of the switch, right? This coil is energized and it carries the armature, which is this black thing here, and there's a flux in the coil, created in the coil, and hence it attracts the armature towards it, right? When the armature goes down, it also carries down the contactor of the line, line 1 and line T1, sorry, and close that part, right? So from that it allows current to go to the light 1, light 2, and light 3, right? When you turn off.
What about the neutral?
With the neutral? Yes, neutral is connected to A2 to complete the path for current to flow. Also to the receptacles, right? Broad-based receptacles. When you de-energize the circuit, the flux is broken, or the circuit is de-energized, right? And you break the path for current to flow. Also, one thing I forgot to mention is that when you When the power, sir, the contactor is power, it said that the armature is seated or energized.
Right. What's the distance? Oh, mommy. Right? So you can do it also will help you with multi-sim, AutoCAD, electronic workbench. You can do it. It's also here to help you understand small electronics such as solid-state electronic to digital electronic circuit. Alright, so here we have our digital electronic circuit. This is the traffic light circuit. Green means go, yellow means to pause, and red means to stop. So these changing of the lights, right, via a digital circuit. And look forward to many more of these circuits coming out on You Conduit. Circuits, electronic communications, and how do your TV work? Do you wonder how your TV work? Wi-Fi signals, radio waves. You Conduit can help you. Once again, my name is Timothy Toller. Thank you for watching the video. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. You can find me on Instagram at you.conduit.